Yeah, yeah. Just me, the mic, and the mercy that never ends. Grace, amazing grace.
An amazing grace. I'm still here today. Fell 1,000 times, but I found my way. Chains broke off.
Hey, what's up bro? Guys, pag-asa taron sa Shell. Diri ta Shell kay murag barato diri. Tag 93. Noy, pwede pa hangin oy. Hindi kayo. Salamat, shout out. Naka-kwarta naman may sa pag-vlog, pahangin meron. Tiro bro. Tiro ito. Look. Balang araw masusulat. Balang araw makabili rin kami ng bagong takop. Happy 1K followers! Sige la, salamat, dagang katong salamat sa itong 1K nga pag-follow sa atong page. Nag-celebrate may it. Gunad pa sa sinugdanan katong kami Kevin, Marcus. Follow mo, looy taon mo na katong namo kadto bisag di may maka-idol, mahanto man itong follow. Diba? Ang mahanto nitong follow kay mga ka-idol ra. No. Napuloy-looy pa. Bilak-ilak. Pero kami, higala mi pero hanso mi nitong mga palo ba? Palubak. Okay, 1K. Salamat sa 1K. Mga ligo ta!
This world loves fame, but grace loves change. He flipped my script, rearranged my pain.
Naligi ng motor. Sure. Gala. Nice ka itong trail. Trail nga mo to. Pare na board, pare. Ang pinakagahi sa pandaan. Walang iba. Al Chris Cabanes. Sino katawa ko? Lingaw. Aram din na day. Gala, ara kapuyas tanan. Mo to amo na lang among enjoy mo kagalingon sa hangin. Hangin na lang may among comfort dere.
Sound so sweet, hit me deep like a lo-fi beat. Was blind, but now I see Yahweh's light still guiding me.
I was lost in the static, heart full of fear. Running from truth, but it pulled me near. Every sin like weight I wore. Then grace knocked loud at my broken door. Didn't earn it, can't buy no trade. Still he paid that debt I made. So I walk through the rain with peace inside. Cause mercy got rhythm and grace don't hide.